Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you.
What's the problem?
I feel weak all the time.
Since when?
About a week.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a mild one.
Any other symptoms?
I have body aches and a headache.
What about your appetite?
I don't feel hungry much.
Are you sleeping well?
Not really. I wake up at night.
Do you feel stressed?
Yes, a lot lately.
What kind of stress?
Mostly work-related.
Have you taken any medicine?
Only paracetamol for the fever.
Did it help?
A little, but I still feel weak.
I'll check your blood pressure.
Sure.
It's slightly low.
Is that bad?
Not too bad, but it needs attention.
What should I do?
First, we'll do some tests.
What tests, doctor?
Blood tests and a thyroid check.
Will it take long?
No, just a few minutes.
Can I do it here?
Yes, the lab is in this building.
What can I do now to feel better?
Drink more water and eat healthy food.
Any specific food?
Fresh fruits, vegetables, and light meals.
Should I avoid anything?
Yes, avoid junk food and caffeine.
Can I take vitamins?
I'll prescribe a multivitamin.
Should I rest more?
Yes, rest is very important.
Can I still go to work?
Only if it's not too stressful.
I'll try to reduce my workload.
That's a good idea.
How soon will the test results come?
By tomorrow.
Should I come back then?
Yes, bring the reports with you.
I'll do that. Thank you, doctor.
Take care and get some rest.
I will. Have a good day.
You too. Get well soon.